Hello everyone, my name is Juhi Fukatkar and I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I have completed my BE in Electronics and Telecommunication Department from Nagpur University in 2019 with 8.5 in CG. Today, I am thrilled to share that I have been selected as an executive operation at Petpooja. It's a POS management software company in Ahmedabad with a salary package of 3 LPA. I had like to share my journey with you. A few months ago, I was struggling to find a job in the IT sector. One of my friends suggested me he take an internship program from Evision Technolab. It's specializing in networking and system administration. Evision's comprehensive training program covered various modules equivalent to real-time infrastructure, including basic and advanced networking, Windows administration, server Linux, cybersecurity, HR interview guidance and preparation initially. I was nervous about learning new technologies. However, the expert trainers made it easy. They helped me understand and apply my knowledge effectively. I realized the importance of presenting my skills confidently. Evisions training empowered me to show my abilities during interviews, and I highly recommend Evision to freshers and those seeking a career in the IT sector. And I had like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Evision HR and Evision team for their relentless support and guidance throughout my placement process. Thank you, Evision and Evision team.